for me to sew my waistband and attach it to the trouser. So I'm going to do that by measuring my waist area, so which is 20.5 inches. So after that, I'm going to cut 21 inches from my waistband. So the reason I had half inch to it is that I'm going to sew that half inch so that it will equivalent to 20.5 I marked on the waistline. So as you can see, I've cut my waist, the band I'm going to attach to it. So the band must not too big. So here I'm sewing the half inches I added to 20.5. So after the sewing, it will equivalent to 20.5 inches. And for making the waistband, you need to pay full attention to this. It's not difficult at all, it's very easy.